All right, today we're going to talk about something pretty much all of us use every single day, our web browser. But listen, this isn't just about some minor update. We are talking about a fundamental, ground-up shift. Google Chrome is entering a whole new era, completely reimagined with AI. So let's dive in and figure out what this new age of browsing actually means for you.
Just think about that for a second. Right now, your browser is basically a window, right? You tell it where to go, and it takes you there. Simple. But what if it could be more than that? What if it could actually understand the web with you?
And that right there, that's the absolute heart of this whole change. The browser is evolving from just a passive tool into a proactive, intelligent partner. The goal here is to create a browser that doesn't just display the web, but one that actually gets it, helps you be way more productive, and, super importantly, keeps you safer online.
Now, a shift this big doesn't just happen overnight. To really appreciate how significant this is, it kind of helps to see where Chrome even started. I mean, think way back to 2008 when Chrome first launched. The mission was pretty straightforward. Build a browser that was just faster and more secure. And honestly, that simple mission kicked off a whole new wave of innovation on the web. But today, the focus has totally pivoted. It's not just about speed anymore. It's all about making your browser smarter.
So what does a smarter browser actually look like in the real world? Well, the first huge leap forward is a built-in AI assistant, and it's designed to help you get stuff done faster and easier than ever before.
And that assistant's name is Gemini. Now, I want to be really clear. This is not just another chatbot stuck in a sidebar. No way. This is an AI copilot that's deeply integrated into the browser, and it uses the context of what you're actually doing, like the article you're reading or all the tabs you have open, to really help you out.
So how does this work practically? Okay, imagine you're a student drowning in research for a paper. You've got what, like dozens of tabs open? We've all been there. Instead of spending hours just hopping between all those different sources trying to connect the dots yourself, you can just ask Gemini, and boom, it instantly summarizes all that information for you. And it can do so much more. It can pull out answers to specific questions from an article you're reading. It can find references inside a YouTube video. Soon, it'll even help you find pages you've already visited. But that last point, understanding context across multiple tabs, that's the real game changer here. I mean, the implications for productivity are just huge. And the vision for the future, it gets even bigger. This quote from the team captures it perfectly. They're developing these more advanced agentic capabilities for Gemini. Now, that's just a fancy way of saying it could perform multi-step tasks for you from start to finish, like, say, ordering your groceries. And the key is you're always in control. You're just letting Chrome handle all the tedious work.
This new intelligence isn't just limited to the assistant, though. It's also being built right into the very core of the browser, the address bar, or what the Chrome team calls the Omnibox.
And this comparison just illustrates the difference perfectly. We're all used to typing a few simple keywords into the Omnibox, right? Best mattress. But with this new AI mode, you can ask really complex, multi-part questions right in that same spot. It understands all the nuance, all the different conditions you're asking for. The Omnibox is also getting smarter in another cool way. It's going to start offering contextual suggestions based on the page you're on. So, using that mattress example, if you're on a product page, the Omnibox might just suggest a follow-up search like, hey, what's the warranty policy? It's literally trying to anticipate your next move to make getting information even easier. Okay, but none of these cool new features matter if they aren't built on a foundation of safety and security, right? So, the third key area of AI integration is all about keeping you protected while you're online. So you've got AI constantly working in the background to keep you safe. It's helping securely fill in your login info, proactively blocking new and evolving types of scams, and helping you fix annoying problems like compromised passwords or those spammy notifications we all hate. It's really all about making security more automatic and, just intuitive.
So, you might be thinking, is any of this stuff actually working? Well, just take a look at this number, 3 billion. Any guesses what that could possibly represent?
That's how many fewer scammy and spammy website notifications Chrome users on Android now get every single day, all thanks to these AI-powered warnings. That is an absolutely staggering impact, not just on the user experience, but on online safety in general. So when you put all these different pieces together, it becomes pretty clear that we're not just getting a few new features. We're actually witnessing the dawn of a whole new browsing era. The browser is truly evolving from a simple window into an intelligent partner. The big takeaway here is a browsing experience that is just better across the board. It's more productive, thanks to an AI assistant that actually understands context. It's more powerful, with a search bar that can handle complex questions. And of course, it's more secure, with AI basically working 24/7 to keep you safe.
And all of this brings us to one final thought. For decades, the browser has been a tool that we command. We tell it what to do. Now it's becoming a partner that actually collaborates with us. That is a profound shift in our relationship with the web itself. And the only question left is, are you ready for it?